Got the test trailer in. It's about to get real. Tip of the day when you're cleaning your coupons, make sure you take that land off your bevel. See that land? See, I did half of it. This side is sharp bevel. This side still has a land. Okay, it should look like this. When you're TIG welding the root, that way you're not fighting to break that wall down. You're welcome. I set my gap with just a little bit of slop. This is 1/8 wire, but it doesn't matter if you're using 332, 1/8, 532. Give yourself a little bit of room. When you get it tacked up, you want, if you got a little slop, you want it on the bottom. You want your tight side on the top. If one side's a little tight, put it at the top. Time to put the root in. That's that. It's time to stick it real good. Time to cut them out. Here they are, folks. Squeaky clean. Certified!